looks like we're going to be getting into a real good music one. This is the third of three that Bone has requested. And so I just did West the Barton, and then I just did Bad Dreams. And this one is Wolf and Cub, and they're going to be singing Blue State. And this is what Bone had wrote about that. He said this is psychedelic rock and is probably the best description. Oh, psychedelic rock is probably the best description of this band. And he said the video clip is a bit disturbing, but they were definitely one of my favorite live bands. So when he says were, they must not be a band anymore. But thanks, Bone, for the request through Buy Me a Coffee. Man, it keeps this channel going, and it makes me, you know, when I'm lazy, it makes me react to what I need to get done, you know. And so that's what we're going to do. All right, and everybody else, I try to say thank you all the time as when I remember it without being too, you know, too mushy. But thank you for spending your valuable time here. I know you could have gone anywhere else on YouTube or done anything else with your time today, but I want to say thank you. It means a lot to me. Okay, so that being said, let's bring it up. Let's get right into Wolf and Cub singing Blue State. And he said this is the video clip is a bit disturbing, so I'm not sure what that means. So make sure y'all get strapped in, and you're going to be seeing, if you don't know them like me, it's going to be news to y'all too. So here we go. Looks like there's a body out there. Maybe not.
You still got the sting, make you walk away. But a promise was made, so you got to stay. It don't care that you don't. There's no do what you want. This is just the way. Get to know your place. Stay.
All right, gotta pause it. Yeah, it looks like this guy that is not aware of his surroundings is fixing to pay for that. Yeah, man, this video and this song, I'm not picking up on a lot of the lyrics, but I'm picking up on the video, the visuals of the video. and y'all may be too. Yeah, it is kind of disturbing. I mean, and then I see on this description it says, caution, contains a scene of violence that some viewers may find disturbing. So I'm just curious where we're going with this. I think I already know, but we'll see. We'll see together. All right, man. Wolf and Cub, Blue State. Yeah, again, I don't know really a whole lot of what the song was saying. I mean, it was hard for me to understand it. But apparently this psycho would take a life and then he would assume at least part of their personalities by wearing the clothes of the person, that, I don't know how I can say this on YouTube, but the person that was laying there, I guess. I don't know, man. I don't get all wrapped up into YouTube editing. But anyway, you know what, y'all, there's people like that out there. There's just people out there, thank your police officers, because that's what they're doing every day, man. They're looking for people like this, and they're looking to get in between you and these people, and and they got to do it every day, every single day. There's no way you can get this person and to keep them from doing this stuff. It's something that's in their soul somehow or another, and the only way you're going to be able to stop a person from doing this in the future who does stuff like this is to keep them locked up, or even worse, and sometimes that's what you do, man. You got to keep people safe. Anyway, it was pretty cool, man. It was shot real well. Again, I'm not sure what he means by Blue State, but it was kind of cool, man. It was a good rock and roll, like I said, psychedelic rock. But yeah, thanks for the request, Bone, and for the rest of y'all. That's going to do it for me. So till I see y'all again, I'll catch you on down the road, all right? So let's go into the outro and see you on the next one.